Beach. Young Jimbean Sosa, Jimbean today. Jimbean living the dream. We are here in Isla Verde. I'm about to just do a short walk along the beach for real. See what's going on. It's Sunday fun day. Tomorrow gonna be Monday. So we might as well see what the beach talking about. There might be some vacationers. You never know what type of rowdiness we'll get into. But before we fully get into that, please, as always, like, comment, subscribe, share. Take the time, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button so more people can see. Because we about to go feel the streets, man. We about to go feel and see what the streets is talking about, shorty. So, stay tuned, y'all. Park over there or up the block. Alright. Looks like we got some activity. Gotta kick the shoes off. relevance. So I went up. I don't normally go up, I normally go down the beach, but I already done went up. So I just whipped the U-way. We're gonna hug the right side of the road and we're gonna walk down the beach. So now let's see what we see. There's some shorties out here. I done seen them already. I'm trying not to be too much for y'all, but hey. Yeah. What's up? How y'all doing? Alright, you can finish.
Yeah, we're vlogging.
I'll subscribe to yours if you need.
Of course.
What you sipping on?
I like your camera. I'm sipping on.
Broke as fuck. Look at it.
You getting it though.
Life be like that.
I'll be with it. Margaritas.
Wait, hold on. I got distracted. You got elevated Crocs with fur in them? What's up with them? Do you subscribe to them? Do you subscribe to? Are they recommended? For real.
I love these. I'm a platform person.
I mean, my shit's furred, so it's about time I upgrade to something else. I don't think I can pull that off though. I don't.
They got white and they got pink. You can pull up anything that you feel like.
I'm gonna pull off the camera and shit from back in the day, right? Just rock the pink giant. How long y'all out here? I'm not gonna record it. Alright, so we met them. Those are two girls. They also got a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna shout them out. Why not? But yeah, we're gonna keep this thing moving. Back on the walking tour. See what we tour while we walk.